Hello everyone, my name is Odurole Mojibola. You are watching JibbyFem Forte tutorial on All Africa TV. Today we are going to be teaching ourselves how to make a braided belt that has buckle. You know, in our previous class, we have been taught how to make all these braided belts. So today I just want to teach us how we are going to transform them to belts that we can wear on outings, you know, on our gowns and tops. And then a bracelet to go with it, and this my purse to also go with it. We are going to be making use of a double-sided leather. You can see it has double sides. We are going to be making use of this plastic snap. We are going to be making use of a buckle for the class. Sit back and enjoy. Now, we are going to be starting with our bracelets. We are going to be making use of our braided belt. All you need to do is just watch our previous tutorial to know how to make the braided belt. So I'm going to fix a snap now. You can make use of any kind of snap you want, or you can decide to just attach an elastic in between. Just attach an elastic here and attach it here. You can decide to sew it or tack it. You already have, so that anytime you want to put your hand, it can expand and then contract. This class we are going to be making use of the snap. The length of your wrist, so that you know how long your bracelet should be. Now, I've put the snap. You can see how it looks like. So, this is how we're going to use it. We have a bracelet already. You can decide to bead it. You can decide to put stones, whatever, just to make it beautiful. Now, we are going to make our belt. As you can see, this has an SS strap. I didn't start the weaving from the edge. This strap, the SS here, is a little bit shorter than this one. I made this one long because I want to fix a buckle at that point. So this is what I'm going to do. The buckle is going to go into it. The belt rather will enter into the buckle this way. So it means I have to create an opening here where this particular iron will have to penetrate for it to come out. So I'm going to create that opening at that point. The next thing I'm going to do is to stitch it. After stitching, my belt is ready. As you can see, I braided the strap too. You can decide to make it 4 straps. You can decide to make it 3 straps. For my own, I used the double end, the double close end pattern. For our purse, we are going to make use of a rectangular shape of 16 inches by 12 inches. So we have 12 inches. We have 12 inches this way rather, and 16 this way. Now, we are going to be having a fold here, and it's going to overlap themselves this way. This is what the purse is going to look like. It's a double-sided leather, so I don't need to put lining. So I'll just go ahead and fold it this way. But I just want to try and put this particular color. I want it to be part of what they will be seeing outside. So I decided to create a pattern. I decided to create this pattern. I just want it to be at the center. I want it to be here, and I want it to also be here. You can create whatsoever kind of pattern you want on it, just for the touch of this deep blue color to be outside. So this is what I'm going to have. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to stitch it all round. After stitching it, I'm going to insert this iron, this accessory, just as a form of decoration under it. Because after stitching, I wouldn't want this side to be seen. So it's a way of also decorating it. So I'll just put it there, just to cover up this edge, and also as a way of actually embellishing the purse. It will also have a snap here. The same kind of snap I used for the bracelet, I'm going to put it here too. As you can see, I've stitched my belt, so I can easily use it now. It has been stitched. As you can see, my belt is ready, and my bracelet too. You can see my bracelet, and I did it with my purse. As you can see, the purse, I said we are going to add an iron, so this is a kind of accessory. It will also give the bag stamina too. So as you can see, that's what we have. Yes, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. You can see how our purse came out, our bracelet and our belt. You can see how it looks like. It's a very good combination. You have a plain sea green or plain black gown you just want to go out with. You can just go with this. If you have enjoyed today's tutorial, please subscribe to Africa TV. Make sure you on the notification button so that you can be conversant about our new videos. You can follow us on Instagram and on Facebook at Africa TV. You can also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at JibbyFem Forte. I'm expecting your comments. I want you to just let me see some pictures of what you have come out with. See you next time. Bye.